I have a complicated order.
How can I help you?
I need a large latte, no foam. What even is foam? Like milk and air? No. With 5 pumps of hazelnuts, 2.5 sugar packets. If it's those big ones, I'll just take 2. Add an extra shot of espresso, cold, really, really cold. 15 teaspoons of cinnamon, no more, no less. And if you could just wave a tea bag over it, like incense, that'd be great. Is there something wrong with your microwave? I am not paying for that.
I think that's good enough. We can cut.
But I feel like the smoke's coming from the wrong side because it's flowing this way.
Yeah.
Okay, so Alex,
One
So-
no.
Go,
Pass it on, pass it on.
you cannot hold this
We're
while
holding
you're
too
standing
many
there. Are you
things.
kidding me?
I can.
Can you go
You cannot
underneath?
Take this.
No.
Take this.
Should it
Maybe-
come out of the microwave though?
Well, we can't see into the microwave.
Yeah, but still.
Aim it more in that corner.
I mean, like
Aim
in
it.
this crease.
Yeah, aim it there. Yeah.
But the smoke stopped.
No.
The smoke won't eat itself.
Okay, put it.
Aim it down more.
Aim it here.
Where?
Here. So it goes right in and then comes out.
Yeah, right there.
Dude,
Okay, that's good enough.